technically it's not a sleepover since we pretty much sleep here every night.
Down in front! I'm trying to watch this!
Hey, that's not scary. It's swirly.
Hey, how come you guys are using the old haunted TV?
Did he just say haunted?
Up there! We're already on TV! What's the matter, Midget Apple? You seem a little scared. Whoa! I just called you a midget and you didn't even correct me. Something must be wrong. Orange! I see
Well,
people!
dead people. He means dead people, Morgan.
Well,
Dead
It
people.
looks like you hollow win again. What? You want a good knife kiss? Wait, before I die, I've got to know. Oh, come on. Just a peek. Just a peek. Oh, no.
Stabademic, baby, yeah!
No, please, spare me. Spare me. Don't be scared. I just want a little snack.
Orange Farachu, your reign of terror is over.
Grandpa Van Helsing. Oh, thank goodness.
Stand away, little apple, while I drive this stake through his heart.
Whoa, that was not part of the deal.
Hey, T-Bone.
What?
Thanks.
Ouch! Well, I guess he likes it rare.
What? What was that? What are you doing?
I saw a ghost.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. He's right there.
What's up, dude?
Guys, are you sure this is a good idea? I mean, what if there's a mummy inside? Okay, it's definitely time to go.
You heard Pear. It's a wrap. Oh, no. It's chasing us.
Ah!
Whoa. Talk about a paper trail. Did we lose him?
Oh, no, I'm naked.
Whoa. That's one bad mummy. Hey, Pruneface! Hey, Pruneface, hey!
What? What do you want?
No, not you. Pruneface!
Huh?
Ah!
Looks like you needed a lesson in claws in effect.
Yeah, and he gloved every minute of it.
Oh my, I get the feeling you might be a cut above the rest.
Uh-oh, I bet this is going to turn into a flame war.
You're on, but first, let's shake on it.
I don't know, Freddy. I think I might be sweater off dead.
Oh, that is so good. I'd write it down, but...
You need a hand?
Oh man, are you into Mad Libs?
Labe, what else you got?
I don't know. Just want to watch The Shining.
Yeah, we might as well.
Hey, Haunted TV!
What? How did you escape?
Hey, Haunted TV, hey!
I see you, okay. Now what do you want?
I was just going to say, knife!
Huh?
Cheeto, jump!
Broccoli Obama!
Just call me Barack.
And his opponent, former Governor